Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you a little trick how to make your car smell like new again. So what we need to do, you need to find your cabin air filter. Most people don't even know about it, they don't even look for it, and they never replace it. And then you wonder why your car smells bad all the time. No matter how many air fresheners you put, they last a week or so and it starts smelling bad again. So we need to locate the cabin air filter, clean it, and we're gonna show you a trick how to make it smell like new again. On most vehicles, the cabin air filter is either under the glove box compartment or it's right here. On most of them it's that way. So in order to remove the cabin air filter on this Audi, we need to pull that seal right here. You need to pull it off all the way, and now you need to pull that plastic out of the groove right there and pull forward. And now we need to open this by pressing in and pulling out. Okay, and that's where the cabin air filter is located. And as you can see how dirty and nasty that thing is, it probably hasn't been replaced at all. You can see all the nasty stuff coming out of it. Look at that, dirt, dust, pollen, everything you can think of, it's there, it's stuck there, and that thing is the one responsible for the smell inside your cabin. And if you do not have one, and you don't have one to replace it with, you can clean it with a vacuum and then use a spray like a Febreze or fabric cleaner or air freshener, the one that you use for air conditioners inside your house, and you spray it real nice. When you install it, make sure that the arrows are pointing down the way you took it out, and you need to install the cap back on, okay, like that. So that's how you can make your car smell like new again, and you won't smell that dust and dirt inside your cabin. And the quality of the air will be way better if you replace it. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.